Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select a custom slide size on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Design tab up at the top, and then on the right above Customize where it says Slide Size, click the drop down and select Custom Slide Size. And you can input whatever your width, height, dimensions, as well as your orientation, whether it's portrait or landscape mode. And then you would select OK to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.